This guide will show you how to compare two revisions of the same PDF file in Catenda Hub. Follow these steps to accomplish this task with ease. Open your PDF by clicking on the document name. Once opened, click the Revision drop-down menu to select the revision to compare. Select the revision you want to compare from the pop-up window. Then click on the Compare button. You will then see changes between the two versions, added elements in green, deleted elements in red, and identical elements in gray. To highlight one version over the other, first click this drop-down menu. A slider then appears, allowing you to focus on one of the two revisions. You always have the option to view the latest revision. This guide covered the different steps to compare two revisions of the same PDF file in Catenda Hub.